Hello friends, welcome to my channel NividTech. This is Rahul Jain and today I am going to unbox Wimius K1 Projector that I got from Amazon.de. Before I start my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon if you want to see more updates from my site. So in this projector we get this with a bag and I'll just open it up. So we get a very cool bag that has a very sturdy handle on it. I guess the bag weighs around 3 to 4 kgs. So it's a lightweight projector. Let's just open it up. So in the box you get a projector, some plastic packaging. Keep the projector on the side. Then you have the pack with all the accessories and the manual and the 3-year warranty card, and also some basic FAQs like what you can do with the projector. If you have some questions, you can directly refer to this. It's in German because it was ordered from Amazon.de. So what do you have in accessories? You have a really good remote. You have a power cable, an HDMI cable, a static float to clean the screen, aux cable to make sure to connect maybe the home theater system, and a user manual in different languages. So let's see how the projector looks. If you look at the projector, it's black. It has a texture on top with the buttons embedded inside, and there's a LED in between. So it has a really classy look. And even the lens, in many Chinese projectors you can see that the lens cover doesn't fit well, but in this case it fits really well. You have the IR remote sensor here, the Wimius brand logo here, and for if you wish to adjust the elevation of the projector, you can do this with this one. Also, if you remove it, you can use it to mount it on the ceiling. You can get the projector mounting kit online on Amazon for like 10 or 12 euros. You can see that the model name is mentioned on the lower end. What kind of ports do you get with this projector? So you have the power adapter, you have 2 USB port, 1 aux, 1 AV in, 2 HDMI ports, the speaker on the back. It's like a 5-watt speaker that you get with this projector. It supports 1080 full HD, and it's written on the advertisement that it supports 4K, but mostly it doesn't, and it just supports full HD. Also with this projector, the range for which you can get this projector is between 150 to 250 euros, and if you get some discounts during winter or something, you can get it for less than 150 euros, which I did. So it depends when you order. From mostly Wimius projectors, there are different models available, but the ones that I like would be Wimius W6 and Wimius K1 because they are in mid-range and they have a really good quality video. And if you want to know more about Wimius brand, just let me know. I can make more videos on different types of projectors offered by Wimius, so that you can get through these videos to understand what kind of projectors you can buy for your needs. And because if you go for a branded one, that would cost you around 1000 euros or plus or something like that, but this one came under 200 euros. And if you want to know more about this brand projector, just let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you on this. Also, I'll make a separate video about the video quality of this projector, and you can just watch that video if you want to know how it works. And if you want me to make more videos on projectors, just hit the like button and share the video, and I'll make more videos for you guys. Thank you.